Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's broken. No. What happened? Oh no. No. Oh my god. No. 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 Oh my god. No. No. Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My drone, the piece broke off the propeller thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guess what? April Fools!
April Fool!
I got you. Comment below if I got you. Ooh, my drone's all fine. Yeah. Let me know in the comments below if I got you. I just came up with this April Fool's joke, like, why not? I love my drone a lot. Why not prank you guys that I smashed it or I crashed it? I did it before. In Chicago. It took control and flew into Lake Michigan. I was about to jump in, but I was devastated. So that's why I thought about this April Fool's joke. I knew I love drones and you guys love my drone videos. So yeah. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And happy April Fool's Day to you. Hope people pranked you today on April Fool's. And hope this video cheered you up because of the COVID-19 and everybody stressing about that. Hope this prank was funny and made you laugh. So yeah, peace out. Woo.